Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing a little financial buffer, and beforepay pops into your mind as a potential lifesaver? You download the app, eager to bridge that gap, and then, bam, you hit the ID verification wall. It's that moment where convenience meets a crucial security step, and for many, it can feel like a sudden roadblock. So, how exactly do you navigate this essential part of setting up your beforepay account and unlock those much-needed funds? It's a question that comes up a lot, and for good reason. In today's digital age, financial platforms like beforepay rely heavily on robust identity verification to protect both themselves and their users. This isn't just about red tape, it's about preventing fraud, ensuring you're genuinely you, and safeguarding your financial well-being. Think of it as a digital handshake that confirms your identity before any money changes hands. Without this critical step, the system would be vulnerable, and the very service designed to help you could be exploited. The good news is, while it might seem daunting, verifying your ID on beforepay is a straightforward process designed to be as seamless as possible. The app guides you through it, but understanding the underlying principles and having your documents ready will make it even smoother. Essentially, beforepay needs to confirm your name, date of birth, and current address. This is standard practice across most financial technology platforms, adhering to what's known as Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. These regulations are in place globally to combat financial crime, including money laundering and terrorism financing. So, when beforepay asks for your ID, they're not just being nosy, they're complying with legal obligations that ultimately protect everyone in the financial ecosystem. Now, let's dive into the practicalities. The primary method beforepay uses for ID verification is through a digital check of your government-issued identification. This typically involves using your driver's license or passport. When you reach the ID verification section in the app, you'll be prompted to either manually enter details or, more commonly and efficiently, to use your device's camera to scan your document. If you're scanning, ensure you have good lighting and a clear, flat surface for your ID. The app's technology will then extract the necessary information and cross-reference it with official databases. This automated process is incredibly fast, often taking mere seconds. In some cases, if the automated check can't verify your identity immediately, beforepay might require additional documentation. This isn't a sign of an issue with you, but rather a safeguard. They might ask for a secondary form of ID, like a Medicare card or a utility bill in your name that clearly shows your address. If this happens, don't worry. Simply follow the prompts in the app to upload clear photos of the requested documents. Again, clarity and good lighting are key. Make sure all four corners of the document are visible, and there's no glare obscuring any information. The beforepay team will then manually review these documents, which might take a little longer, but they generally aim for a quick turnaround. Remember, accuracy is paramount. Double-check any information you manually enter to ensure it matches your official documents exactly. Even a small typo can cause a delay in verification. Also, ensure your documents are current and not expired. An expired ID won't be accepted. Once your ID is successfully verified, you will receive a confirmation, and the full features of your beforepay account will become accessible, allowing you to get those crucial advances when you need them most. It's a quick, secure process that's designed to get you from needing help to getting it, all while keeping your financial safety a top priority. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.